Hey everybody, Colleen here with Mopars, Mustangs, and Minivans. We're going to go through the Ram over here and show you what we've got. Alright, she's an 87 Ram 50. We took the motor out of it. We're going to transplant a 318 in here with a AX15 5-speed. She's going to be fun. Interior, we'll go through it, rip out the carpet, seat covers, see what we got underneath it. Needs a new steering wheel. Dash is okay. The door card over there was taken off because I needed to get a key for it. So I took the lock out, took the lock down to a locksmith, and we now have a key for the ignition, which is fabulous. Bed, I mean, there's no rust on this truck. There's no rust at all. Let's start back over here. We've got no rust at all. This is a clean truck. We've got some surface rust in the bed, no big deal. All of our parts, grill, radiator, drive shaft, shroud, cross member, back of it. Got a couple dents, not really worried about the dents. The other side, no rust. Got one little crinkled fender. Damien's going to try his hand at body work, see if we can get that worked out. And front bumper is probably the worst of it. We've got the grill for it, but the bumper's a little mutilated. We'll get everything cleaned up and we'll be back. Alright, so we got the seat out, and it looks really good, except for that one little spot. I mean, it's dirty, but it's all there. Pretty cool. And then, here's the fun stuff that I found underneath the seat. I've got some extra tools. And a whole bunch of money. So I'm over here trying to take off this little black cover piece. And I pull it out. And look at this. It's a house wire. No idea where it goes. It goes up underneath there somewhere, and we'll figure it out later. Alright, carpet's out. Not too bad, just dirty. Got her all vacuumed out. She's all nice and clean. Really, no rust. Got a little bit of surface rust, nothing big. I did, however, notice this dent. And I'm pretty sure that somebody didn't know how to jack up the truck at one time. But that's all for now. Stay tuned. I almost forgot. How much money did we find in here? $2.51.